The energy around the Scorpio full moon is intense. There will be powerful transformation where secrets will be revealed. Everything that has been hidden will come to light. So there'll be endings and new beginnings in the energy around this intense full moon that you can feel weeks before and after. I'll help you navigate through these trials in flying colors. Come a shining magnet. Because it is in hot angle with Pluto, which is in the sign of Scorpio, it will be double trouble, double revealing, but it's also here to resolve what has been hidden. It's here to remove what is holding you from living your full life. So actually, in the end of it, it's a good thing. It is showing you where to go or not. So we're talking about power struggles, endings and revelations in relationships. So you will know who you're dealing with behind the scenes. And at the end of the video, I will show you how to resolve this whole uprising of the hidden. Our emotion will be intensified, and before the full moon you will feel that rise of your emotions that can be stirred up, and you can feel very unsettled. The way to deal with it is to see it coming, feel it coming, so you can deal with it, remove yourself before it will have consequences. We may be acting out, say things that can hurt other people and can hurt us. So it's very important to catch it, taking it in time, settle down, remove yourself, catch your breath, count to 10 and just know that this is a stirred up moment and it will pass. Like I've just come home from a lovely vacation, and at the airport all of a sudden I could feel these emotions start stirring up and everything was going wrong. I couldn't find my tickets and the app didn't work. I could feel my Leo raw coming up. So I took a breath. I do this by starting to speak kindly. I was with my son, so I start to speak extra kindly. And that really kind of settles me in again. Okay, sweetheart, we'll just sit here and try and figure it out. We have time. I'm kind of also talking to myself to calm myself down and say, okay, we have time. It's gonna be just fine. And that way I also calm my ego mind down that's about to get upset that this happened, that this happened, that this happened. It's getting frustrating. Instead, I calm my mind and say, okay, we'll just take the time and find the solution to each little stir up that comes, because it comes so we can practice better ways to respond instead of reacting. It would really help me if you like and subscribe and hit that bell so it rings and you will get all the updates. Hereby I also can help uplift others. I'll be very grateful for your help. And thank you for being here. Thereby this full moon is also bringing opportunities for us to grow and become more balanced and calm collective beings. So we are capable of taking on ways of going about things which will attract better solutions to us, because whatever we beam out comes back to us. So if we beam out, okay, I can handle this, then the universe can bring us better solution for us, because we are now operating on a frequency of we can handle the higher frequencies, staying calm in the storm, so we can handle dealing with more complex things. Like me having this YouTube channel, there's so many parts I am to put together and ways to simplify it so I can still stay in a serene, calm space while I'm building all my platforms, because I have like 5 or 6 platforms I'm on at the same time, to help you all move into a much freer, happier lifestyle like me, where you can go with the flow and sway through the obstacles instead of getting it take you down all the time. Live on a roller coaster ride that makes you dizzy. This is what I'm here for. I have a free guide in my description where I show you how to get in contact and work with your intuition so you also can navigate life without getting into so many obstacles and U-turns that slow you down or even take away your drive and your optimism. In this full moon, it's all about, are you resisting? Then it will persist. Are you letting it go and finding solutions that are better for you? It is bringing you to grow and evolve so you can attract that brighter life that's waiting for you out there. Wonderful, kind people, wonderful solutions, opportunities will be attracted to you when you are increasingly in this calm and settled space. Like a tree with its root deep in the soil that raise high above the ground with its crown up high in the sky so the beaming sunlight can enrich it. The roots deep in the ground is nourished and stable, solid, so it can stand in all the winds with ease. Your body, your circumstances will show you where it's good to go. You will feel the passion coming up in yourself and in your surroundings. It is also the end of the Mercury retrograde. So here in the last part, we can feel unsettled, not knowing these new ideas, solution that we have in mind, will they work or not? Being unsure of, is it useful or not? Only a little after the Mercury goes direct again, we will start becoming clear-minded and understand, okay, this is how we can do it better. This is how it can work way better. So take this next week, just go with the flow, do the routine, meditate or lay low a bit, not having too much going on, because then it can become stressful because our mind is still a little bit in the upside down. But it's a time to go inwards and feel what is right for you or not. Getting more clear about how can you rebalance your life. Where is it a bit off? Where can you change it around so it will be more harmonious in this area? Because it's like a diamond that is shaped with a lot of little corners. And all these little corners together make it shine from all the sides and make it shine way brighter. The same is right for us. That in all our little details of the details, if we find what feels totally right for us in each area, then our whole being, our whole diamond shines way brighter and will cast the light way further. So what is equal to our light will come to us way easier. Because we're moving into a time where it's more about less struggle, doing things optimal. That means doing less is more. Finding ways to do less, but getting more out of each action. Around the full moon, we can also kind of lose our drive, our motivation, be kind of tired. So just flow with it. If your body says it's tired and it needs some rest, if your mind is a bit blurry and off, let it go for now, and you will take it up when you get into this clear focus again after the full moon. So all the energy before and after is shaped around our deep transformation into this shining diamonds from all sides, brighter move at the time, figuring out new ways of doing this little detail plus the other little details. It all comes together, making this powerful new way forward. So be patient with yourself, one little move at a time. When it feels right, we'll bring this into a brighter way of living, being, freer lifestyle. But it will take time. It will take you listening in, feeling what is right, and acting on it. Because we are our own savior. Everybody else around us is very busy trying to save themselves too. The reason we're here on earth is to learn how to grow into a brighter, lighter being that would calm and ease, go with the flow. One little experience at a time, how we can respond instead of reacting, make us stronger. On this, I wish you a shiny, magnetic, powerful moon energy period, and may you sway through the obstacles.